Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to set a Gmail email to expire in just one day using Gmail's confidential mode, a great way to keep your messages private and secure. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the red Compose button located in the bottom right corner to start a new email. Next, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the Compose screen and tap it. From the menu that appears, select Confidential Mode feature allows you to protect your email by setting an expiration time and restricting the recipient's ability to forward, copy, print, or download your message. After selecting Confidential Mode, you'll see an option labeled Set Expiry. Tap it and choose Expire in one day. Once selected, tap Save to apply this setting. This means your email will automatically become inaccessible to the recipient after one day, enhancing your email privacy. Now, go ahead and fill in the recipient's email address, add a subject line, and write your message as you normally would. Finally, tap Send to deliver your confidential email. The recipient will receive your message with the one-day expiration and won't be able to forward, copy, print, or download its content. Using confidential mode is an easy and effective way to ensure your sensitive information stays secure and only accessible for the time you specify. That's all it takes to set a Gmail email to expire in one day on your phone using confidential mode. Stay safe and safeguard your privacy with this helpful Gmail feature.